Hello friends, welcome back to Global Freelancer Academy, your go-to place for mastering freelancing, SEO and getting high-value clients from around the world. Today's video is pure gold. We are going to learn how to write SEO blog posts using ChatGPT step by step in 2025. No fluff, no outdated tricks, just practical steps you can follow right after watching this video. And yes, we are doing in the way that Google will love and your readers will track you for. What we will discuss over here. We are going to write a blog. So we need to know what is blog. Blog is a regularly updated website or web page after often written in a conversational style where an individual, group or organization publishes content typically in reverse chronological order. I think you know about blogs, so I am not discussing more. Structure. What is structure of a blog? You know, a people or anyone, a person, anything has a structure. Tree, table, people, anyone. Suppose you, a guy, you have head, you have body, you have legs. These are the parts of the human body. Like this, blog has already a structure. What are the structure? What component are there? Title, introducing, body, and conclusion. Mind it, in body there are a lot of things like subtitles. As a human body, there are many things like heart, lung, leg, heads, etc. Like blogs audio, you will find more and more things like that. We will discuss in later. Let's go. At first, what we have to do after knowing the structure, we can write. Now let's go. What you are going to write, on which niche you want to work about. Let we have selected freelancing. We will write a blog on freelancing today. Okay, you can get the idea of title, idea of keywords from also ChatGPT, and you can also analyze keywords from keyword research tools like SEMrush, Google Planner, and many other tools you can use. Even you can get it from ChatGPT. Like this, you can write, give me five low competition, medium or high search volume, and high intent SEO block keywords on freelancing. Suppose you got some keywords, 5 or 10, you can get anything, then you choose this one. How to start freelancing with no experience. ChatGPT has given you 5 keywords or key phrase. From then you have selected this one. How to start freelancing with no experience. We will work with this title or this key phrase. Okay. Then creating an SEO-friendly outline. What is outline? You can get it from also ChatGPT. At first, we need to know the idea of outline. What may be in the outline? You know about outline, the structure of anything like this. Let I write. It will give you very short time. What did I tell you then? I told you at first meta title, meta description. Now outline of the structure. Introduction, body. In the body you will find like this. What is freelancing? These are the component of body of the blog. Can you freelance with zero experience? Step by step guide to start freelancing with no experience. Like this you will get more and more component over here, and you write separately, you can write, or directly you can get the idea. And then let's go. At the same time, if you get the full idea, then you can write like this. Otherwise you have to get it breaking down separate component from there. To save the time, we are not getting separately. We will get the total blog at the same time. What we have written? Write a detailed SEO optimized article on how to start freelancing without experience using 35% sentence with transitional words and no sentence with more than 20 words. Why I have written this? Read it again. Write a detailed SEO optimized article on how to start freelancing without experience. Now I have directed the ChatGPT that using 35% sentence with transitional words and no sentence with more than 20 words. It will help you to SEO and readability. Okay, readability is also the part of SEO. Okay, then let's go. ChatGPT are giving you the total article. This is the title. This is the introducing. Then he is advancing. Look, 2 or 3 seconds, maximum 5 seconds. You are getting the blog. Okay. Then we will copy it and we will paste in a note or Google Docs file. It has given a unique. Let's go. It has given a unique article that will be used to write the blog. Here you need to get some correction. Otherwise, it will get AI task, not fully human task. And Google doesn't like AI generated article. You got the idea. Then for each part, you have to change from the first line. You can change each paragraph. You can change a little bit so that Google will understand that it has written by you also. ChatGPT is a very powerful tool, but you need to give some human touch over there. Okay. Then we will see the next. We got the blog. Now we will go to the SEO. What are the part of SEO? Here you have to conduct on-page SEO. You will optimize it. After optimizing, you have to proofreader. You have to check grammatical mistake if there is any graphical mistake or any other mistake, language mistake. Then you will check it and you will upload it over there. Let's go to our website. We got it. Look, we are going to dashboard. I will show you how you have to conduct SEO. We got the blog. Add a page. In this website, I am just showing you. Give the page name freelancing. Okay. Now I paste the blog over here. Okay. Then there is the title. From here, you are finding readability analysis good, inclusive language good, and here you have to conduct SEO. This is not green because it is not up to date. You have to conduct SEO over here. How we will do the SEO? On page SEO, go to the analyzing SEO analyzing option. Here, focus keyword. You have to place the focus keyword over here. Then title, SEO title. You will create a SEO title from ChatGPT. You will ask ChatGPT, write an SEO title, then meta description. You will write a meta description. Then, if you use any image in this post, then you have to find the alter text from there. Okay, I think you have understood, and all the SEO element you will conduct over there. Then I told previously, proofread, plagiarism check, SEO audit. These are the next action before publishing. Then when you will publish it, after completing everything, then you will go to share with your social media, just LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or email newsletter. Okay. However, you have learned it very completely. So that how you write an SEO blog post using ChatGPT in 2025, step by step. These are the things. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Global Freelancer Academy, and drop a comment saying, I am ready for SEO success. I will see you in the next video where we turn your skills into global income. Until then, keep creating, keep ranking. Thank you.